Hey, it's Bey, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Gilgott 3-meter USB charging cable. I was doing a little shopping on Wish and I came across this charging cable. The one I currently have is a cheap one from eBay and it did not last very long. This Gilgott one looks to be much more durable and high quality. I got it for about $3 plus $3 shipping, so about $6 total for everything, which is not bad at all. It arrived about 2 weeks earlier than expected, which is cool. I'll put a link in the description to Wish if you're interested in purchasing this charging cable. This cable is 3 meters long, which is a little shy of 10 feet, which is really long. To be honest, I don't think I need a cable this long, but the length is a nice thing to have. You can play with your 3DS while the plug is all the way on the other side of your room. Since it's really long, it's not that ideal for travel, but it's possible. I actually keep this cable inside of my new Nintendo 3DS XL case. I have a video of what's inside my new Nintendo 3DS XL case, so if you haven't seen it yet, make sure to go check it out. I'll put a link in the description or you can click the card that popped up on the screen right now. Anyways, this cable is compatible with the Nintendo DSi all the way up to the new Nintendo 3DS XL because they all use the same kind of charger, which is great. It has a kind of braided cable design, which means that this cable is very durable. The neon color makes it stand out a lot too, which makes it very easy to find in your bag. You also get a quiet Velcro tie is what I like to call it because it's more quiet than regular Velcro. The Velcro tie feels very high quality and it has the Gilgott branding on it. The Velcro tie is always attached to the cable, which is great so you won't lose it, but you can still remove it if you want to. Again, I like to put this cable in my new Nintendo 3DS XL case so that I don't have to carry my AC charger with me. That means that I have everything I need for my 3DS inside this case, which is very convenient. To be honest, it's a snug fit because of how much cable you get, but it fits. I'm really amazed by how much you can fit inside this case. Overall, I highly recommend this USB charger for your 3DS. On Wish, you can get it for about $6, which is so worth it in my opinion. It's very high quality, super long, and durable. It's a great accessory to have for your 3DS and it can definitely replace the AC adapter. As usual, I'll have a link in the description to where you can purchase this cable if you're interested. That was my video review of the Gilgott 3-meter USB charging cable. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you get a notification every time I upload. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!